Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how I clean fish before cooking. Though it's already been descaled, gutted and cut, it still needs more cleaning. I use a steak knife to clean it. I place the blade on the fish and run it against the scales, pulling out any scales that were left behind. Do this as I am showing you here. It's best to use a knife with a serrated blade because you can easily injure yourself with a smooth blade. I run my fingers on the fish, and if it's smooth and I don't feel any scales, I place it aside and continue with the rest of the pieces. Be careful as you do this to prevent injury. In the process of doing this, I also clean any dirt that was left in the insides. Repeat this until all fish pieces are cleaned. This is what was left on the fish. It may not be much, but if this ends up in your stew, soup, or on your fried fish, it's enough to ruin your meal. Once I'm done cleaning out the scales, I rinse it twice and place it on a colander to drain. The fish is now ready to cook. Thanks for watching and bye for now.